Hello and welcome. So today we got a ton of new goodies here. When I was looking on bestbuy.com over your headphones, the AirPods Max, because all of the Apple stores are closed, they don't have them in session right now. There are none available anywhere in the entire state of where I am. When I was on the website, I saw this deal for like, hey, today only you could get AirPods for 40 bucks off, and that's what I have here. I do have the wireless charging version, so I basically got these for $159. And as you know, my AirPods, they were 4 years old. I did a video on that that's going to be attached to this. So we're going to be unboxing them here today because apparently people on YouTube really like that stuff. Yoink. And we have to do the incision carefully. Careful. Because we save the boxes. Always save boxes. Okay. Last side. That's some beautiful Apple plastic. Now, I know a bunch of you 9-year-olds out there are going to be getting this for Christmas. Oh! Wow, that is good factory air. Oh, Foxconn, I love you. All right. Same book dudes as before. Interestingly enough, though, they don't even sell the 8 Plus anymore, but yet they have it here. Don't know why that is, or why there's, like, no light, but we strive for excellence and quality content. So this is your 1-year limited warranty guide. This is your other 1-year limited warranty guide. But this is all copyright 2019 when these came out. And there they are. They're no bigger than the other ones, but for some reason, it may be just me, but that sounds kind of different from the originals. It's just mine are so old. And then we're just going to leave that sadness in there because I'm not going to be using that. And then we get to save all of the packaging. That was some. Oh, it's like, oh my God, that is good factory. This thing has been tightly sealed, just like perfume. And this is the MagSafe charger. Wait, are there AirPods in here? Okay, there's AirPods in there. That's good. I was just, yeah, no, a little concerned. I could have gotten scammed. You never know. Best Buy. Oh. Oh my God. What the fuck? Apple. You destroyed my paperwork. I can't find these anywhere. My Best Buy was the only one to have one of these things, but I didn't really try any other store because I was like, hey, I'm going there for AirPods. I might as well get the MagSafe charger. Okay, this is what I've been wishing for like the longest time. Ever since this thing came out, I've been wanting one. Oh, and then it's, whoa. Okay. What happened? Again, I bought this brand new. Well, Foxconn messed up, but hey, we got the MagSafe charger. Is this thing damaged in any way? Oh, that feels so good. Oh, wow. Okay, so basically it just sits in here. Oh, you are supposed, but you're just supposed to slide it out. You're not supposed to rip it up. Guys, slide out your MagSafe chargers. It's more elegant. And then also like coils in here, USB-C. We do have a USB-C brick down here, but cold to the touch metal. Oh, wow. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. No way. The AirPods do it magnetically? Okay, no one told me the AirPods were magnetic, but let's see if we just... You know, the light should just turn on. Wow. Oh my God, you guys couldn't even see because the cable was in the way. The AirPods are magnetic to MagSafe. No one told me that. Why aren't they still charging? Okay, so the light stays on for a brief minute and then it goes away. Okay, I've never had the wireless charging AirPods before, so I don't really know how that light works, but I'm glad that it does go away instead of constantly staying on. I thought it stayed on while it was charging, because this hinge right here at the top fits into a certain point on this MagSafe charger, and then it just rests there, and then it gives us the glowing light. See, it's only Apple that thinks about this. That's what makes Apple so freaking magical, and that's why I love them so much. But I'm going to do the MagSafe now. Oh, I love this thing, and it's so tiny. What happens if we put this on there? It does magnetize. Dave, what do you do? Oh, Dave can do, whoa, oh no! Dave can do the MagSafe. MagSafe. Dave. Oh my God, Dave's charging. Hold on. We gotta make this epic. Epic Dave moment. Oh my God, even thick chungos can use this. Yo, if we could get a wireless charging iPod mod, that's it. That is the goal of this channel. We are gonna make a wirelessly charging iPod mod. Oh, that noise. Does it do the... No, it's not as good as... Oh, third gen. Oh no, the third gen... Oh, that's right. There's a hard drive in here. Okay. Scrap wireless charging. Not a good idea. Oh no, does Dave still work? Okay, that probably wasn't a good idea. Don't put iPods near MagSafe, okay? There are hard drives in these things. I didn't think about that. All right, so now we're done with that tangent. Old, new. Okay, the pitches are definitely different. The magnets on this one are definitely better. The hinge is definitely more solid. Okay, this one sounds a lot better. Why didn't they give it this treatment? This case, the sound is so much better. But that's classic, though. Ooh. Yo, I can film a commercial. Oh no! I am gonna get sealed versions of first gens and second gens and yada yada, but gotta go back on the MagSafe, mate. That's pretty dope. I'm really excited I got new AirPods because I haven't gotten AirPods in 4 years. And it's just, oh my gosh, it just brings me back. This entire video is just bringing me back. Okay, epic switch. No funsies. What if I... Okay, we're gonna go caseless. Okay, how does it... It stays on, kind of. Oh yeah, this is usable. Yeah, you can totally do this. Oh yeah. We are in business. Do you see that charging symbol? We are in business. This is awesome. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. We unpacked the MagSafe today. It was really great. I hope you all get this for Christmas. This is honestly the best charger ever. I'm really happy that Apple made a single wireless charger. No, I will not be getting MagSafe Duo because that is way too expensive. And as you know, right now, I don't have an Apple Watch because I never used it, so it just sat around and I needed money to fund this channel. If you need any spare AirPods and if yours don't really work anymore and if you need a replacement, come on down. We're selling these for, I'm gonna discount it from $45 to $33 because I feel like these guys aren't as loud because they're old. So if you need some replacements for cheap, go get them down. We got these here, and have a great rest of your day. Interestingly enough, they do have a lot of AirPods for the season, but the wireless charging kind is definitely it. The normal AirPods, these ones have been selling out. Actually didn't have any of these left. So if you do want some of these H2 chip, but the old clicky clack that we all know and love, go get them. These are actually a lot heavier, and the case is the same same, but like some of the proportions are different in their own little unique way. Like the seam here and the seam there, and on the back, of course, we got that matte finish, which is smaller, which I really like. I love AirPods so much. This was great. All right, have a great rest of your day. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.